Allow me to introduce myself. I am Jarvis, a virtual artificial intelligence, importing all preferences from home interface. Systems are now fully operational. I apologize for the disturbance, but it's time for you to wake up. I'm afraid your time to rest is at an end. I must insist that you wake up. Maybe you should have chosen a later time because clearly you don't want to get up.
Good morning. It's 7 a.m. The weather is 72 degrees with scattered clouds. The surf conditions are fair with waist to shoulder high tides. High tide is perfect.